Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can increase Snapchat streak faster in your phone. So you want to increase the Snapchat streak just like that. I'm going to go to my profile section and see that my streak is 3,69,000. So you want to increase the streaks in your Snapchat. You simply have to just make more friends in your Snapchat just like that. I have a little friends. You have to make more friends on your Snapchat and also make groups in your Snapchat, and also on a daily basis you have to just send a snap streaks to your friends and increase the Snapchat streak in your account. So that is the way you have to increase the Snapchat streak in your account. So simply you have to just go to the profile section of your account and just to see that you make more reels in your account and make more followers on your TikTok and your Snapchat account. So you have to make sure that. So simply you have to follow that step. First step is that make more friends in your Snapchat and make more groups in your Snapchat. So that is the way you have just increase the Snapchat streak faster. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.